If you're a real estate agent and you've created Facebook and Instagram ads to promote your listings, one of the best ways to do that is with a lead ad. And if you've run these ads, you may have come across a problem that's pretty common to happen every once in a while. Your ad is getting impressions, but you're not getting leads, or you're not getting high quality leads from it. Well, in this video, we're going to cover 3 common mistakes that realtors make, how you can improve them to get better results and get more leads. Stay with me as we get into it right now. Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Lowell Brown. I help real estate agents and solopreneurs level up their digital marketing. And in this video, we're talking about Facebook and Instagram ads. Now, a lot of real estate agents focus on just posting generic things in their feeds to promote their listings. But to level things up and reach more people, you really have to use Facebook and Instagram ads. It's really the only way to reach more people. 2 ways to do it. You create your content on your social media and you use Facebook and Instagram ads. Now, one common ad type that a lot of realtors use is the lead ad. And that's where it's either a traffic ad or a lead form ad where you're trying to get leads. That's the whole purpose of the ad. Get leads so that you can promote or sell your property listing. But a common problem that I see happening is that realtors create these ads and they're getting impressions, meaning that their ad is showing to people in the feed, but they're not getting any leads out of it. And there's 3 common mistakes that people are making. And in this video, I want to help you improve that. I want to help you fix those mistakes so that you can get better results. So let's talk about those 3 mistakes right now. Problem number 1 is that you're creative, meaning the pictures that you're using with your ad aren't stopping the scroll. Now, let's think about that. People see 100 plus posts in their feed. And if you're just posting that one picture from your MLS listing, it's not going to stand out. The fix is to use a carousel. A carousel is a series of photos. Those are the ones where you can swipe across. So pick the 5 to 7 best pictures that showcase different features of the home. Not just a picture of the outside of the home, but get into detail about the best features of the home. You can also try a short drone video. That's going to add movement. So instead of people seeing one photo in their feed, something's going to capture their attention when you see video. And that's why so much video is in the feed to begin with. It captures people's attention. Now, another thing you can do here is when you're creating your ad, a lot of people will create one ad. And that's it. That's one ad that's part of their campaign. Well, the trick is to really create multiple versions of your ad. Not just the one ad with one picture and one headline, but create a few different options. So create a second ad in the same campaign with different pictures in a carousel or a different clip of video, or try different headline, different caption, description. These are things that are going to capture people's attention. And unless you test different variations, you're not going to know which one's performing better. And also, what do you think is going to happen if you're posting one ad that fails versus you're posting 5 ads and 3 of them fail? Well, you've got 2 good ones out of that. So that's why you have to create variations. That's actually a bonus tip I just gave you right there. Now, problem number 2, well, I'm going to be brutally honest here. Your captions are boring AF. That's right. Countless times I see captions starting with 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, $1.2 million. A caption like that, it's not going to grab attention. You're just telling me about features of the home. That's not what's going to sell me on it. I'm not looking for a house because it's got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The other thing is everyone's doing this. So your post or your ad is not going to stand out. Here's the fix. You got to tell a story about the property. You make people feel something. That's going to engage them and make them want to read more or find out more information or scroll through or continue watching that video. Here's a few examples. Instead of writing that 3 bedroom, 2 bath, whatever, try something like this. This is the house where your kids will learn to ride their bikes. Imagine hosting Thanksgiving in this massive kitchen. This beautiful backyard is where you'll create memories with the family during those summer barbecues. Make them feel it. Make them want the experience. Then list the features. Problem number 3 is the CTA, or the call to action. And most times if it's weak or if it doesn't even exist at all, you're not going to get people to take an action. And you got to be specific when you add your call to action. DM me for details is kind of lazy. Try something like click to see all 25 photos, or message me to schedule a showing this weekend, or comment interested and I'll reach out directly to you with more information. The bottom line is better creative, emotional copy, and a clear call to action will equal more leads from the same ad spend. I get it. Running Facebook and Instagram ads is not easy, especially when it comes to real estate. And you've got lots of options. I mean, I help my clients with various different things. Instead of just doing one ad to get leads, we actually build a strategy around everything. Now, commonly, real estate agents are looking to get more visibility, so you need awareness. You want the leads, so you're attracting attention to sell the listings, but you also want to get more customers. Some ads are built to get you more awareness, to help you get followers, to help you get seen more. Some ads are strictly meant to help promote specific listings, and other ads are meant to help you get actual new clients. And I've got a whole strategy built out. So if this is something that you're looking for, if you're looking for help either to improve your Facebook ads and performance, or if you're looking to have someone do it for you, I want you to reach out to me today. I want you to comment below and say help with ads or just ads. This is the kind of thing that I do for my clients, whether it's either teaching them how to do the ads and walking you through my system, or whether I do it for you. That's how I help my clients, by utilizing a system that we can follow over time to help you get more reach, to help you get more leads, and to help you get more clients. If that's something you're looking for, I want you to reach out to me today. You can find my contact information in the video description below, or again, comment ads below. If you're looking for more videos and tutorials on Facebook and Instagram ads, I want you to stay tuned. I got more videos coming up right after this one, and I'll see you in that next video.